time kong kumanta dito sa Mega Mall, masaya naman yung experience. Sana paulit-ulit. Sa pick-up din. Thank you.
Napaka-talented naman po ninyo. Film producer na nga, actor pa, musician pa, and you know what? Hindi lang yun. Pinakilig mo kaming lahat. Tama ba? Pick-up citizens! My goodness. What would you like to say to our pick-up citizens?
Well, of course, for our pick-up citizens, I'm very excited that there's another, I don't know if you call it a ride-hailing this, so I'm very excited there's another one. There's more options for us Filipinos, and this is proudly Filipino. So, para sa akin yun yung biggest selling point, and I would always support anything proudly made here, anything that supports our country and our fellow, and anything that makes it convenient for my fellow Filipinos.
Nako, iba talagang kilig na dinadala mo dito. Not only that, makabayan ka pa, and I love that. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, your one and only Paolo Avellino. Now, Paolo, if it's not too much to ask, could our CEO and CFO have a quick photo op with you? Of course, once again, sir name, Miss Aramina. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to use our official hashtags. That's hashtag #PeakUp. And also hashtag we'll get you there, because we do promise that 5-star service that's truly, proudly Filipino. You will kindly join us as well. Miss Aramina, there we go. Again, to everybody else, feel free to take photos. Make this a trending event. Our hashtags are hashtag #PeakUp and hashtag we'll get you there. Join our grand photo op. Grabe, star-studded ang ating stage dito sa Pick-Up. Proudly a Filipino brand catering to Filipinos and perhaps very soon internationally. But the best part is marami pong trabaho ang mabibigay din po ng Pick-Up para sa ating audience here for today. Sa mga gusto po mag-apply, by the way, pwede na po ngayon sa ating actual event. Kung interesado po kayo na mag-apply bilang driver po natin dito sa Pick-Up, meron po tayong mga makakatulong po sa inyo sa inyong mga katanungan. Pick-Up! May gusto niyo yun si Miss Ara? Yan! Okay, now this time around, may tanong ako sa inyong lahat. Okay lang ba? Paki-selfie kami sa inyo? Nagkahiyaan pa sila. Okay lang ba? Selfie tayo. Let's have all of our celebrity artists, our CEO, our CFO. There we go. For a quick photo op. Okay, now if it's not and seated right over here. Okay na po ba? Na let's all stand for the photo op. Our CEO to our CFO, maraming salamat. At maraming trabaho ang maibibigay sa mga Pilipino. At di lang yun, we won't have to worry about surges no longer because we will make sure that the rates are affordable for everybody. Yan po ang promise po namin sa inyong lahat. Of course, don't forget to like P-Cup's social media pages. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we're also on X. Now, don't be shy to get in the loop for updates. Malay nyo, baka may papremyo kami very, very soon. Huwag po kayo mag-alinlangan. Mag-visit na rin po kayo dito. Kung again, interesado po kayo mag-apply para maging driver po ng ating pick-up, by all means, bumisita lamang po kayo dito sa aming event proper. Maraming salamat kay Sir Paulo Avelino. And what a truly eventful day it has been. Our beautiful artists right here in front. Please, by all means, but what can you say to our pick-up citizens?
And I'm very happy also dahil sinuportahan tayo ng mga friends natin, showbiz, and we have celebrity friends here. Kanina I saw Almir Mula, Jenny Miller, Jerry Cabal, Ketchup Eusebio, Miss Bernadette Allison, I see her, si Joanna Nandoni, sino pa ba nandyan? Rochelle Barameda, and who else? JP de Guzman is also here, nandun sa likod. Magpapagdadong dyan. The famous child star. Okay. And marami pa tayong mga friends na sumusuporta kahit wala sila dito. And they're very excited sa pick-up.
I can feel the excitement naman talaga. After all, napakainit ng energy dito. Energy doesn't lie. And I can feel it radiating from each and every single one of you. Miss Ara, I'm well aware that you also partnered with P-Up because I know you have an upcoming concert. Pray tell, kailan ba at saan siya magaganap?
Okay, nag-giveaway tayo. Nag-giveaway tayo. Supposed to be May 7 yung may 30th anniversary concert. So, namuto ng July 11. Ayan. So, sana po, supportahan niyo po, guys. Hello! Yung mga nasa second floor, third floor. Hello! Ayan, ako. Excited na sila. Alam ko may mga inaabangan na rin silang dito, guest natin. Tawagin na natin ang aking kapatid, Miss Christine Reyes! Kataon pa na. Kaya kami nagsuot. Kaya tayo nagsuot, di tayo nag-usap. Pero mas hanggang dito, kasi pupulmanyahin na ako niyan eh. Kaya hanggang dito lang ako, sa lower back lang ako. Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for gracing the launching here in Mega Mall.
Gorgeous siblings. Wow. Star-studded event as well. Thank you so much.